Is it recording? Okay, I think it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. It's recording. Okay, good. Full screen. I've had to record this 4 times. I am not happy. Stupid. Okay, why does it keep... I've had to record this 4 times. 4 consecutive... What is it doing? What is it doing right now? What is it doing? Dude, this fucking recording software sucks. Oh my fucking god. Anyways, as I was saying, I've had to record this 4 times. It is 7:30. I started recording at 3. I have been recording for 4 hours. 4 consecutive hours. And I have to put this in 4 parts, connect all of this. God, dude. It's annoying. Jesus fucking Christ. I just need to finish up these last 2 levels. It is 2 levels. If it cuts out again, I swear to God, I'm going to cut the series. Where is my cursor? Oh my fucking God. I can't do this shit. Of course now you decide. This is fucking annoying and persistent. I fucking don't like it. Okay, let's go. I guess. Yippee-ki-yay. Sorry if there's long loading screens. Probably gonna be like this a lot during the series. Dude, where the fuck? Oh my God. I can't see my fucking cursor again. Ooh! It's pissing me off. Beyond belief. This has exceeded stupid. This is now just a joke. This is just an inside joke at this point. What is going on? I can't see. I can't see what the fuck I can send out. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna rip the fucking scalp. I'm gonna rip my fucking skull right out of my head. I'm gonna turn into the fucking headless horseman. I swear to God. This is so freaking annoying that it's not even annoying. It's impressive. Oh my God, I can't even fucking interact, dude. Now I have to have these stupid fucking advertisements on the side. I literally have to record like this. Because Game Bar just suddenly is befuddled. And it's just... It's just sitting there in its chair. Now this is quite the predicament. When it's not. Just record the video. Record the goddamn video. It's not that hard. My God. Microsoft is fucking really killing me right now, dude. I'm not liking it either. Fucking game bar is trash. Apparently I have to delete Infinite Fusion. Just spent so long getting set up. So fucking annoying. Okay. I literally have to play like this, otherwise my cursor just disappears, apparently. Now what the hell is going on with my fucking screen? See? Why does it just disappear anytime oh my god. It's back now, I guess. And now it's gone. And now it's gone. Where did it go? I don't know. Where did it go? Where did it go, game? Oh, such the predicament. It's right there. So why in the flippity fuck do I have to navigate my way through this conundrum of recording software? Just because Game Bar just cannot cooperate. It's mind-boggling. My god. So unbelievably stupid. I was gonna throw on an idle game on my phone while I played this. But now they've freaking ruined the mood because I can't use any recording software at this point. It's dumb. It's so freaking dumb. God. I'm gonna try to get a PC, not a fucking puny fucking laptop with like 3 fucking milligrams of storage space. Or a micro SD card. A micro SD card would be cool. If we can even put one of those into these little shits. Microsoft needs to fix the fucking Game Bar, dude. I feel like a lower being playing like this. Like a fucking uncultured swine. Microsoft is fucking biting my shins and really enjoying it. Shouldn't be too long, no. So I have all the Chapter 2 treasures. Then I'm gonna make 3, 4, and 5, maybe even 6 Chapter 3, which will be cool. Yeah. It's fucking absolutely incredible. If I have any long recording sessions like this ever again, I'm gonna fucking plummet into the ground. Okay. Did I even get treasure? Please tell me. No, I'm not doing this. No, I'm not fucking doing this. I have had enough today, dude. Do not want more troubles. I'm just gonna use Treasure Guarantee and Speed Ups for the next two. Thank you. Superior macadamia nuts. Finally. Thank you. I am not dealing with it this time. Yandam is going to fucking die at my fucking mercy. Load up the map. It is not thank you. It's giving bitch boy. And I don't know why the fuck I just said that. I'm sorry. Tengo una reserva. Slobber on my fucking meat, Yandam. Go fucking cry in the corner of your bedroom. I am never coming back here ever again. Holy shit. Hallelujah. And such. Jesus Christ. I'm not done though. I still need to upgrade some stuff. Sorry. the satisfying part. Oh my fucking god. I feel lesser playing without full screen. I feel like a lesser being. And it's all thanks to Game Bar. Fuck Game Bar, bro. Need a fucking recording software is what I need. I need to ask someone what they use. Jesus Christ. Okay, floating. What we got? Monk Cat. You. We're not using you. Unmyoji Cat. No. Okay. Necromancer is insane in this fight. We want Necromancer. That's really all we need, honestly. Cool. We'll just get normal cat upgrades then. If we have anything left over, then we'll upgrade Samba. And we have fucking nothing. Perfect. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna finally upload these fucking videos after 4 hours. And yeah, that's it. See ya, I guess.